I like to have like a cloth or something here, just because when we lift these up and we take them off, I don't want the metal arms hitting the windscreen. Now you can see on the new one here, there's these little plastic tabs on the side. We just need to press them in, and then we'll be able to unclip it from the arm. So let's do that on this one. Press them in, and you can see it begins to pivot away, and we can just pull it out. Throw this one away. Like I said, you don't want this metal arm coming down hitting your windscreen. Grab your new one, slide this end in here. These little lugs locate in on the metal arm. Clip it in place. Just double check, it's all sturdy. Let's go to the next one. Squeeze these tabs, pull it out. Let's put that there just to keep things safe. Grab our new one, slip it in. Clipped in place. Before we let it go, just make sure that these are latched in correctly, and let's give the new ones a go. Okay, we'll give the squirters a run first, and there's our new wipers. Happy days, pretty happy with that. Nice clear, no chatter, no issues. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some other videos.